will this be compromised? Because marriage, after all, is compromise. So in real estate, you can apply the same theory as far as getting into the right property and getting into the right neighborhood. Really, really important to know that. What else can I say, dear friends, as far as real estate is concerned? Basically, all I can say is follow the stock market, follow what's going on in your local market, and follow also global warming, and follow weather patterns too. I mean, I had a friend I was talking to the other day, and they have a condo in Richmond, Vancouver, and they're saying with water levels rising, we think it's best we sell our condo in Richmond. And I was like, well, isn't the only airport in Vancouver in Richmond? And they were smart and they did their research, and they're like, yes, but they're on an island. They're on Sea Island. The rest of Richmond is built basically on like below sea level, is my understanding. So I was like, oh, so as far as flood's concerned, that area is of concern. Water levels rising. Good news is here on the island, we're safe from what I've heard. On the Souk side, I've heard that in the event of a tsunami, they're at risk. So anything waterfront on the other side, but on this side, which I live on, which is Central Saanich side, the Mount Doug side, the inner side of the island, we're protected because we're not open to the open ocean as far as tsunamis are concerned. So these are all important things. Like, we just look at, okay, I like the house, I love the area, it's waterfront. But let's ask some more questions. Okay, you're waterfront, but these could be possibilities. And are you okay with that? Now, has anything happened on those areas for the last 30 years? No. But it's like when you go into surgery with a doctor, is there a chance that can happen? Yes, it's 0.01%. But as the doctor, I'm obligated to disclose that. Same here. As the agent, if there is something in an area that is a possibility that could happen down the line, I'm obligated to disclose that to you. So I try my best to do that. I mean, there's some tips and points also in Bear Mountain that I can share as well. The Souk area is a tsunami risk area. On the waterfront side, certain areas are safe. On the Bear Mountain side, earthquake. Some areas, as far as earthquake concerned, because it's all shifted soil, it's basically built, could be of concern. Some areas could be safe because it's literally built straight on rock. So these are all questions that we need to be informed on, we need to know, and someone who knows the area and speaks to geologists, or it speaks to everyone. As you can tell, I love talking, and as a part of talking, you learn a lot, talking to all these different types of really neat people, really knowledgeable people locally, and you learn a lot about the area. So I love that, and I love learning. And if you, as a viewer, listening, and you have something to teach me about an area or a neighborhood or something I may not know because I don't know it all, please share it with me. And one of the things that I love is working with my colleagues. There are certain areas that I know another agent is an expert on. I work with them. I always believe you win best by working together. And so on that note, love you guys. Let's work together. Thanks for supporting me. Ask me questions that can help other listeners in our market. Have a wonderful day and cheers. Take care, guys.